No, just think of the guys that have to take their trousers off and squat and cough. You've been violated, bro. Nah, bro, you've been right violated. He's seen you naked, anus, and you're coughing. Nah. I'm too nah. I can't do that, boss. Boss, you're just gonna have to take my word for it. I have nothing on me, bro. And that will stick with me. Knowing me, because I'll overthink, right? That will stick with me. Like, nah. Next man told me to take my trousers off and told me to squat and cough. You're kinky, bro.